Watch this. Oh, they get so tame, these guys, eh?
There's my mum, she does the same.
Yeah.
She hasn't walked them into her house.
Oh, wow, yeah, they do that. So we have to keep the door closed, otherwise the cat will get them.
Well, she doesn't have a cat.
Yeah. No, they get so tame, you know.
Yeah.
Absolutely. That's why the chair is here.
Oh, fair enough.
You being well?
Ah, I got a sore throat, which, well, I sort of thought it might be, you know, the Wuhan virus.
Yeah.
But it looks like it's the Rang virus. Kim. So it wasn't so bad.
No.
Wasn't so bad.
The flowers are looking good.
Yeah, that's a wonderful time of the year. You sort of nurse them all here, and then in a couple of days it's all over.
You got another one?
Yeah, I've actually fed both of them quite well, so they've got a nest up in that tree across the street there. So
We were at my dad's a couple of weeks ago, and we've never been through there either. We were having lunch and someone came down, sat on the back of the chair, so
Picking up our scraps.
yeah, like even bits of pasta salad.
yeah.
Straight back and straight back
But
up
we to the nest. We flew up and I looked up and found the nest up in the tree. So I mean, Dad's house here, tree the same as that tree
Where
there.
your tree is here.
That's where the tree. That's how close the nest is to at his place. So
So they're up in that tree there.
Oh, the big one. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. They still have some.